Hello guys, in this video I'll show you if you're tired of using desktop video editing software, you can replace desktop applications of video editing directly using this editor that I developed entirely in browser using Next.js. It has all the features of a typical video editor. You can edit your videos, add text, images, and it's developed in Next.js, which is a great framework of React, and it's using FFmpeg WebAssembly library. So you can see it's a fully fledged editor. We have added text, images, everything. We can change the resolution, quality, and then it comes with this progress bar. So it will actually process your video frame by frame. And once it completes, you will see the output video. This is actually the overall project. It's coded inside TypeScript. Each and every file is customizable. You can change the source code and add additional features as well. The link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it, and it's using FFmpeg WebAssembly library, and it's also using the Next.js latest version and React as well. And we are running this project locally, as you can just see right here at localhost 4000. So we started this, as you can see, localhost 4000, and it is rendering your videos frame by frame. So once it completes the processing, you will see the output video. So you can just see here, it's actually processing frame by frame. So it's actually a fully fleshed timeline based editor. It doesn't have a backend. It basically works in the front end only, and it's using Next.js and FFmpeg WebAssembly library. So you can easily deploy this if you purchase a domain name, or if you need the source code how I built it from scratch. The link is given. You can directly purchase it. So you basically see this output video now. The text, image, everything is added, and you also see the download button. And if you want to see the actual full demo of this, you again basically, if you want to create a new project, you go to the project section, and here you create a new project right here, and you will be redirected to this timeline based editor. So here you actually first of all select your video, add this to the timeline section. So whatever is the desktop software that you're using, it will save you a lot of time because you no longer need to open desktop applications. Now if you want to cut, you basically select the video and it will split this video into two parts. So the first 5 seconds, if you don't need this part, you can delete this, and now if you see, the length becomes only 6 seconds. You can change the volume of the video, you can change the XY position, the width of the video, everything is customizable. So you can just see here, and then you can add the text here. You can just see how easy it is. And here you can change the color of the text. You can add the text as an overlay, and then same goes with image as well. So here you can even select your own audio file as well. You can replace the original audio. So this is for video, this is for audio, image, and this is for text. So it's a fully fledged. You can now add the image to the timeline. Again, you can split the unnecessary part, delete this. And here you can control the width and the height of the image. So you can just see here how easy it is to edit your videos directly in the browser. You can even, it will do the basic video editing for you, which is required for adding text, image, changing the sound of the video, and this will output video will look like. And then you have the export option. You can change the resolution, quality, everything. So this is actually a great alternative or replacement for your desktop applications that you are using. So it's actually a web application, directly executes it in the browser. So if you're looking forward for purchasing it, the link is given. You can directly purchase it and you will get the source code from Google Drive.